Kalima na gud na ko ning video. Sige ra gyud kabara. Pero i-burn ako to para sa imong hatanan kay from the bottom of my heart gid to siya. However, ma'am, happy birthday again. Happy birthday. Wish you more blessings, good health, always good health. Kabalo ka, ma'am. Dream na mo tanan nga maabot sa imong edad nga ing anak karon. Pero ikaw, your dreams all come true na gyud. Naabot na nimo. I hope nga kita ra magihapon ta, uban na mi sa mga laag, ma'am. Nya ay kabala ka, ma'am, kay naba man kay Junior diri, Switzerland.
Kabilin.
Ang kabilin, ma'am, murag ako mahinumduman bagay sa kuha katong bangko. Kay,
ano man?
Kay ego gid kong lubot. Ma'am, happy birthday again in behalf sa akong family, kay Dexter o kay Dret. Happy birthday, we love you. Bye for now, sign off.
Good na.
Hey ma'am, layong hapon. Happy birthday di ay. Wow, congratulations. Abot jud ka diri awa. We are so happy na abot jud ka, and thank you so much also for the time, friendship, o pagiging second mother sa ako, lalo na lang wala na kay mama, ikaw ang actually ma'am, ikaw ang nag-act for mama na ako diri sa department food sa may ilang pindin. And sana ma'am, maging happy jud ka perminti, ma'am. Bahala na unsay mga problema ma'am mag-abot, ma'am, but always be happy. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not into your own understanding. I know na God knows your heart's desires, so ihatag lang sa iya, ma'am. I know God prepares a bright and happy future for you and for your family. We will miss you, Manting, and from Manting and PJ, we love you so much. And more years, ma'am. This is not yet dagan pag tuig nagulat, and there are still lots of people are waiting nga makauban ka, ma'am. Lahi na po ng community, lahi na mga tao na maging blessing ka sa ilahan, nagulat sila sa ila. Happy birthday.
Okay na, sir. Sige, sir.
Ako lang i-congratulate si Mrs. Hyson sa yahang dedikasyon sa trabaho isip magtutudlo sa atong eskwelahan. Believe ko sa yahang dedikasyon o passion sa work.
Salamat, sir. Mo to atong incoming president sa MNCC. May background ba? Okay na, ma'am.
Helen, happy birthday. We will be missing you. Ano lang?
Hi, Ma'am Helen.
Nagtagmana.
Oh, pati ay. Hi, Ma'am Helen. Ako din si Jemar. Salamat kayo sa mga visual aid. Thank you kayo sa virtudes. Char. Happy birthday and happy birthday and God bless you always. Thank you.
Kana sa kabili na ni.
Ma'am Helen, happy birthday. Naway mapareha gyud ni sa imo nga moabot ni sa retirement namo sa pagtudlo. Ma'am Helen, happy birthday.
Okay na. Sige, istorya. Kambal, kambal.
Kailan yung istorya? Pwede mo posting na lang.
Kambal na niya. Triplet na nila. Mga working students.
Hi, Ma'am Helen.
Istorya.
Ha?
Shock.
Hi, Ma'am. Maski karon lang mi diri ma'am, pero happy gapon mi, ma'am, kay naka-appeal mi sa imuhang 65th birthday, ma'am. Wish you all the best, ma'am. Again, happy birthday, ma'am.
Next.
Hi, Ma'am Helen. Na-under ko sa imong FS dati din. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Pila grado?
Hindi ko alam.
FS.
Good afternoon,
Pwede na.
May hapon day, ma'am. Una sa tanan, ma'am. Great day tagad. Happy birthday, ma'am. Kung kaila pa ka sa kuha, ma'am, ako din si Nurhan Antuling sa katong si Kanyer Tolentino sa una. Nga, grabe ka. Tay, badlongon, makapabadlong sa imuha nga. Nata sa garden, magdala-dalag, bulo. Salamat day, ma'am. Kay ipapasar minimo tanan, ma'am. Bisag kami tanan sa tabaan. Pero okay ra gyapon, ma'am. Gusto ko ka sa muha. Pag taod-taod, ma'am, balik ra gyapon ka, magklase ka. Salamat nga, gipapasar minimo, ma'am. Kung wala minimo yung taon na gipapasar, wala ang tami karon, dili mo diri sa 4th year. Dagang salamat, ma'am, kay dagan natunan sa imuha, ma'am. So karon mag-retire ka, ma'am.
Ay, gilakdan.
mag-retire naman ka. Salamat kay ma'am. Ito yung mga ipatudlo sa mga na inumduman pa namo. Thank you kay ma'am. Happy birthday.
Moto si Norhan. Huwag si Arjan. Ay, gilak dyan. Ang semester yan mo kang Ma'am Helen dyan.
Ay ma'am, una dahil sa tanan ma'am. Good
Ano,
afternoon.
dire?
Una dahil sa tanan ma'am, good afternoon ma'am. Ako dahil itong kuhan ma'am, kanang estudyante mo sa una ma'am,
Ano, dire?
last year, 2008, 2009. Ako dahil si Arjan Luditso Elpidang. Ako na itong badlungan kayo dito sa una ma'am niya. Kada sulod na ako ma'am, badlong po kayo. Pero makansar, gyapon ko si mga putana ma'am. Ya, paano ma'am, happy birthday po dahil ma'am sa umaabot mo na birthday ma'am. Thank you. Maraming salamat po ma'am. Mabuhay ka.
Ma'am Saison, thank you so much. Hope na remember pa ko nimo karon, and thank you kayo kay second year ko, dako kay kag natabang sa ako, and kaning thankful pug ko nga naging part ka sa akong kinabuhi, o mo lang to, thank you.
Mo-retire naman siya. Ang semester yan mo.
Good luck lang. Good luck and enjoy. Thank you.
Marata. Salamat. Ano pangalan yan mo?
Vincent J. Mabuo.
Kaya ma'am.
Hello, Len. Happy birthday. May you have peace and contentment now that you are free from stress. So, shall I say, goodbye tension and welcome pension.
Okay, sir.
Helen, hapon. Good luck. Happy birthday. At least you serve as classroom teachers for
30
years. So, this time, I feel naalis ka na. Wala nang malakas at sino na teacher sa science. Kahit papano. Huh?
Natawa sila ni.
Kung bagamat bata pa, maayong kamudagan yun. Takbo kahit 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, lalo na sa 4 o'clock. Ang galing mo, Ma'am Helen. Happy birthday.
Ano ba, sir? Okay na, ma'am.
Helen, happy 65th anniversary.
Birthday.
Birthday. Ng Helen, happy 65th birthday. We will be missing you. We've been together for more than 10 years. We shared memories, malungkot man o masaya. Palagi yung nakaukit sa aming isipan. Hindi namin makakalimutan yung matunog mong halakhak at yung mahabang kwento na di matapos-tapos. At saka yung energy mo tuwing may mga palabas, may mga pa-contest, hindi ka talaga nagpapahuli. Talo mo pa yung mga bata na lalampa-lampa. Kahit na matumba ka, madapa, tindig pa rin para ipaglaban ang ating year level. The best ka talaga. Sana mag-enjoy ka. At alam namin, maging maligaya ka dahil makakasama mo na yung mga apo mo at mga mahal sa buhay. Good luck and God bless.
Okay, salamat. Go.
Hello, Ma'am Helen Saison. How are you today? Mag-retire na good ka. Dili na good ka magpapugong. We will be missing you. Hindi the life is so powerful and wonderful. It is full of pressure, full of tests and trials, but also full of dreams. Behind those, you have harvested already the packages of blessings. You have achieved your dreams in life. You have made some life enjoyable and worth living. You are a gift to everyone, especially in your family. Thank you so much for our togetherness. I really enjoy with your company. My wish for you, Mrs. Saison, may you continue to be blessed with good health and happiness. I hope you will find more love, joy, peace, and prosperity as you continue your life's journey together with your family and your loved ones.
God bless you always. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas, and congratulations.
Okay na, ma'am.
Okay, Nang Helen, happy birthday. And this is the most awaited time you are waiting, your testimonial ceremony, which is the school's gratitude to the meritorious service you rendered in this school, Mati National Comprehensive High School. You're so in demand every time we have presentation before. That is way back 15 to 20 years ago. And you never miss to be the undefeated winner. Can you still remember that you've got the look talent? Oh, your presence at MSHS has ended, but we know you'll be very happy and enjoy much to be with your family starting this day and throughout. Happy birthday and enjoy your significant day now and forever. God bless you and be the best of whatever you are. Again, happy birthday and happy pension day, monthly and forever.
I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to Mrs. Saison for the services rendered as secondary teachers of Mati National Comprehensive High School for almost 30 years. We were together in this institution when I was a commandant, and I know her pretty well that you are sincere in your teaching profession. You produce thousands of students to be a professionals. With this, your name will be printed in their hearts and inculcated in their minds. You have done your part, and I salute to you, Mrs. Saison.
Birthday, sir. Happy birthday.
In this day, you ought to be very happy because this is the day that you were born, and this is the day where you are celebrating your anniversary or birthday day. I hope you will live happily forever and ever after. Happy birthday, and may God bless you in your retirement period.